Okay, so today we're going to be learning about the different types of rocks. There's three different types, and we're going to learn about all three of them. So the first thing that we're going to do is we have a small poll, and the question is, how many different types of rocks are there? So please submit your answers. Okay, it looks like everyone has submitted, so I'm going to go ahead and share those with you. So it looks like everyone is right. There are three different types of rocks. Okay, so next we are going to watch a small video about the different types of rocks. So we're going to play it right now. Okay, so that's a small video about the different types of rocks. So now we have a drawing activity. And so if you guys will all please draw one of the different types of rocks, draw the rock, and then please explain to your partner why that type of rock is the way it is based on your drawing. And make sure you click the blue submit button for your drawings. Oh, okay. It looks like we have a submission of this rock right here. And we're going to call on Freddie. Freddie, would you tell us why this rock is what type of, well, first tell us what type of rock it is and why it's that type of rock.
I drew the igneous rock, and it's black, and because it comes from volcanoes and fire and pressure, it kind of burnt. It's all darker.
Very good job, Freddie. Excellent work. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do in our lesson is we're going to take a field trip. In this field trip, we're going to go to Mars, and you can all see on your own screens this field trip. And we're looking at a landscape of Mars. And so we're going to have a quiz question after this, and the quiz question says, what types of rocks are found on Mars based on this field trip that we're taking and looking right now at Mars? Does everybody have their answers from our field trip?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, we're moving on to our quiz question. So If everyone will please make their selection and don't forget to submit it. Okay, it looks like we have got our submission. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you all. And that way you can all see that you all got the answer correct. It is sedimentary rocks that it looks like were found on the surface of Mars. Okay, so we're to our last part of our lesson today. And this is an open answer. So if anyone has any remaining questions about rocks, you can go ahead and type in your answer there, or your question there, and go ahead and submit it, and we can answer those as a class. Okay, it looks like, let's see, has everyone pressed the submit button on their, okay, looks like we have a question from Freddie, and Freddie's question is, I'll share it with you all so you can all see it, says, what types of rocks are in the ocean? Does anyone in our class have an answer to this question? Anybody? No? Okay, I don't see any hands. All right, so I'm going to answer this question to the best of my ability, and I think that in the ocean, I think you'd probably find all three different types of rocks. Sedimentary rocks, because all the layers form together at the bottom of the ocean and all the sediments form together to make sedimentary rocks. I'm sure there are igneous rocks from the underwater volcanoes that are found in the ocean, as well as metamorphic rocks that are underneath the ocean, underneath the ground, receive a lot of pressure, and then rise back up to the surface. So I'm sure all three of rocks are in the ocean. Great question, Freddie. Thank you all for coming to our lesson today. That is all